Yes, my friends, you are watching at the mannequin, lovely color with one of the light shade of Rama green with beautiful contrasted color, bold floral printed. Yes, these are the summer trending varieties, which is lightweight linen cotton sarees. For this summer special, the dark contrasted floral printed lightweight sarees, which is almost the trending varieties, which are the latest arrivals from Kesaria manufacturers. So today I'm going to show you these colorful, brightful, casual outing daily wear sarees, only the floral printed. My friends, keep watching this video, and if you're watching first time this channel, subscribe for the regular notifications and the updates. I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. So every day I'm going to show you the entire Kesaria manufacturers of the products, the daily wear, women ethnic wears, the 3-piece, 2-piece, even kids collections, men varieties, multiple sarees, even party wear sarees, casual outing, designer, from daily wear to all exclusive rich royal collections where you can purchase from Kesaria manufacturers. My friends, if I want to talk about these lovely collections, the budget, I want to just show you the table is beautifully aligned with the color charts, with the all collections are different, design different color. 3 patterns I brought for you, 3 code, one is Chahhat, one is Vidya, and one is Lisa. So different colors and different designs. So quickly purchase. The benefits are 1 code, you will getting different designs and different colors, which is friendly budget around 400 range to 600 range. To know the actual prices, fully watch the video and take a screenshot, and the numbers are scrolling on the screen. Please call and quickly add. These collections are for business. It's a selling and the fast moving. Every woman expects for this summer these kind of fully comfortable, lightweight and brightful, colorful saree, which is linen cotton. So let's see quickly the linen cotton. The Lisa is the code, very pretty saree. The saree's benefit, you will get like this thread tassels with the gap borders, the high rich look pallu, which is very pretty. These kind of borders you can see. The border sarees, every saree depend on the color chart, you can find out. Every saree you're having a different color and the different design. The coffee brown, the brown shade, the two-tone pattern, this is also one of the different. Lisa is the code, but the different, all our designs are different. So you can see the flowers are very flower printed, unique designs, even in the dark purple or dark lavender, I can say. Very pretty saree. Every saree having a same code but different design. Again and again I'm telling you, these sarees are very fast moving. Peacock blue with navy blue combination, the bold floral which is golden, the thread work which has on fancy tassel, lovely color, the pista green with lovely mustard yellow which is highlighted. You can see the outline which is a golden thread which is placed on it. This is 1 code which is Lisa, different colors and different design. The next code is Vidya, very lovely color, the glossy silk type. Every saree you have a golden foil printed. So 2-tone one of the pattern. So this is one of the print, and next is dark green, very lovely color and very lovely printed saree with design. This is one of the pattern, and one of the kesar color, which is, this is also very pretty. And next color is very lavender color with blue color, very lovely combination. See, every saree you are having a different kind of combinations of these colors. Mustard yellow with the dark golden cream color. This is one of the pattern, and olive green, I can say olive green with, you can see the light and dark, and very pretty colorful flower garden, I can say this is the pattern. And next saree, if I talk about the Chahhat is the code, very unique articles, the flower print which has given here, very beautiful saree, the mild sequence work which you can see here. This is also one of the pattern. Dark magenta color with unique flower, multiple flower print you can see over here in this. Next pattern you can see the parrot green, very dark parrot green, lovely color combination. All this unique, stylish and outweigh the casual outing sarees, bright full contrasted colors which highlighted with the pallu and with the thread tassel. This is also one of the pattern. Next is dark mustard yellow with kesar, beautiful saree. This is also one of the pattern, and this is very dark maroon and you have a dark pink. This is also one of the pattern. So Chahhat and Vidya, and you have a Lisa. All these are colorful, brightful, stylish, floral dark sarees. These are very unique and fast moving product. So these kind of sarees you have to quickly add into your business. My friends, today I've showed you around 400, 450 to 600 range of sarees. And these sarees benefit is one code, different color and different design. So hope you enjoyed. And this are the dark contrasted, the colorful table which is aligned here. You can also make your business colorful and make your customers happy with this colorful, brightful floral printed sarees. Every saree you can find out with the 20-25 range thousand. You can do online shopping or visit purchase. When you come here, you have a lot, many more segments to find out, and based on your business and based on your customers purchase, you can find out and you can pick many more varieties in a friendly budget. Hope you enjoyed these kind of lightweight outwear, casual, stylish, floral, contrast colors, dark colors which is highlighted with rich pallu. So these kind of collections, before getting out of stock, you should add into your business. So next video will meet. Subscribe the channel. Please follow, share and subscribe. Don't forget to share your name and city, from which city you're watching the video. So if you have any doubts, let me know. I'll just clear it. And please, for more information, follow the social media pages and follow the channel. You'll get daily notifications about product related. You can see and you can quickly do online purchase. So hope you next time once you visit, do online purchase or visit purchase. So that is like a Doriwala Square building next to Mohan, which opposite to Surat railway station. It's a just walkable distance. Once you do the visit purchase, you'll get many more ideas, and in future you can do online purchase. So next video will meet with new more collections. Until then, keep supporting my friends. Take care. Bye bye.